EcoAct 2020, Connect, Inspire, and Promote. Okay, so my name is Shama Salim. I'm the technology lead.
My name is Ishan Velivandwa, and I am the project manager.
I'm Jessica Ong, and I'm the finance and marketing lead.
I'm Venkit Sundram, I'm the business plan and pitch lead. You may be thinking, and many of us are thinking, how can us as climate activists, what can they do and what can we do? Right now, climate change is a massive market and one that needs to be explored further. People that are current climate activists are unable to connect and to work together to solve the massive problem that we have in front of us. Over the last few years, there have been over 7 million deaths caused by air pollution actually every single year. And there's also been $5.1 trillion lost in welfare every year in the United States itself. That means not only are people losing their lives, they're also losing their quality of lives, which some people may believe is also as bad. We're trying to find a way for climate activists to come together. And we know that over a period of a week, over 7.6 million like-minded climate activists came together and attended protests. So clearly the market is huge for our product, EcoAct.
So building off of what my associate said, obviously our solution is EcoAct 2020, and our two main goals are to make climate change actionable and to enlist users as agents of action. To achieve both of these goals, we have certain key features such as Learn, where people are able to learn about climate change issues and decide on what they want to believe and what they don't. We have the events feature where people are able to schedule events and other people are able to see them so that more people will start attending these activism events. We have the donate feature where people can donate to key funds that they believe are essential and key foundations that they think will help make a difference in the climate change policies. And obviously we have the connect feature where you can connect with activists around the world to trade ideas, to start planning for the future, and to overall decide what to do next.
As my partner mentioned, we've done extensive market research and we've been able to target over 40 people that have, ensured that we have a proof of concept here. We can guarantee to you that this is a problem that needs to be solved. As a climate activist even mentioned, and I quote, "a revolutionary way for me to contact fellow activists and learn more about what I can do to help the cause." This shows that we have a proof of concept and a problem we have here is one that needs to be solved, and by EcoAct.
So after doing market research, we narrowed down our top 3 competitors to Signal, LiveGreen, and Earthrise. And we also went through and looked at the features we valued most in the climate change app. We came to 5 features: networking, events, petitions and emails, an education feature, and donate. As you can see, most of the apps do not have a networking, events, or donate feature, and we believe that this will allow us to set us apart from the rest of the group.
As for our plan for the next year, we plan to release our beta app by the end of the first month, begin our marketing campaign by the end of the 4th month, enlist 500 users by the end of the 5th month, get 2,500 users by the end of the 9th month, and 5,000 users by the end of the 11th month. So you may be wondering how we're going to get 5,000 users, hopefully in 1 year. And we're doing this through targeting 2 different market personas, teenagers and adults, using social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, Facebook, and Twitter. And we can contact mid-sized influencers who are also passionate about climate change to help spread the word to these market audiences.
So obviously we do have expenses in the future, and looking to the expenses, 40% of the funds that we earn is definitely going to go into coding so we can ensure we have the best user base possible, and that user base will get the best experience through the app itself. The UI will be perfect, and so that we attract more people to our app. 32% of it will go into marketing so that we can spread our company's ideals and then encourage people to join the fight against climate change. And 19% of it will go into contingency or reserve, where we will cover for unforeseen future problems or other important issues.
So now I'm going to talk a little bit more about the demo. So we have the For You page / recommended news articles. We have the donations page. We have the Learn More page. The events page where you create or sign up for events. The chat feature where you can talk to other activists and enthusiasts. And a feature where you can create your own petitions and sign up for petitions. Thank you so much for listening.